Hello, everyone. Before starting the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks. In this video, I am going to unbox or unpack the Aten 8-ports HDMI splitter, whose model number is VS0108HA. We will see the physical overview of this HDMI splitter. It has one HDMI input port and 8 HDMI output ports. The best quality HDMI splitter. All the products of Aten brand are high-quality products. If you have the budget, then always go for this brand. I love this brand and its products. The box will look like this from outside. If I turned it around, we can see the label with all the information about this product. Now, let me open the box. These are the mounting bracket and can be used to mount the splitter in the racks or on the wall as well. I will slowly take out the splitter from the box. Be careful while taking out the splitter from its box. Keep it on the plain surface. This includes the manual, the boots and the screws of the splitter. The power adapter. Let me open the box and show you the adapter. This power adapter has 5 volt and 3 ampere or 3000 milliampere of output power capacity. Gently remove the protection from both sides. Remove the cover and take out the splitter. On the front side, we can see the brand label. Power on LED light. 1 input LED light and 8 output indication LED lights. If I turn it, we will see the other label, which has all the information of this product. Now, on the rear side, it has one RS-232 serial port, 1 HDMI input port, 8 HDMI output ports, 1 firmware upgrade button, 1 DC 5-volt power adapter plug. That's it. I have shown you the Aten HDMI splitter's physical overview along with all the accessories that it will have inside the box. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for your precious time. Hey! If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. If you have any query, leave it in the comments section below. Thanks.